It's too hot! Put this hat on! No! You don't want to get sunstroke, do you? I don't want to wear it! Stop it, Mom! Fine. What about this poppet hat? Wow! That's cool! Now that's better! Pool for sale? Dad, I want it! This? Okay, let's go! It can go right here! I'll start digging! Is that enough? No! Now it is! Put up the poster! The pool is ready! Dive in! I'll bring some water! Awesome, right? Not really! Here's your ice cream! Enjoy! Here's my drink! Ah! Yikes! Give me the ice cream before you make a mess! I'll put the ice cream in a Ziploc. Then close it and cut a corner. Now you can eat, and your clothes won't be dirty. Phew! I can relax. Dad, let's go fly a kite. Let me check the weather. It's storming. We can't go out. Dad, it's just a little drizzle. Let's go. I don't want to. I know. Let's attach the kite to the AC. Look, it's flying. That's no fun! What a romantic moment just ended! Mom! Dad! We're bored! Let's play! What can we do? I know! Hold on! Let me get a lot of straws! Cut a bunch of paper straws. Glue colored paper onto cardboard. Build a maze out of the straws. Attach a decorative cookie and a chopstick to a magnet. Let's play! You have to get the magnet past all the obstacles. Oh, this is interesting. The parents got so into the maze that they forgot about their kids. Sweetie, wanna go swim? Nah, I don't wanna. What if I give you Pop-It floaties? Wow! Thanks, Mom! I love it! Want to swim? Yeah! After I'm done playing! Serve! Hit it! Service! Oh! What are you doing? It was him! This game will be safer! Put the ball away! Attach small clips to a wooden skewer. Cover the bottom of a box with green paper. Cut holes in the sides. Insert the skewers. Make handles out of straws. Use gum as a bell. Foosball is just as dramatic as the real thing. Vegetables are a great source of vitamins. Gross! I don't want it! Fine, I'll use an old trick. I'll blend up some veggies and make it into ice cream. Enjoy, sweetie! The The trick didn't work. Justin is on an important call. Dad! Yes, sweetie? I want to swim. Swim? Easy. Here's an inflatable pool. What do I do with it? Blow it up. Put it in the shower. And you can swim all you want. Stop dropping your phone. You need a stand. Bye, Soda. Now your phone will stay up. Cut part of a plastic bottle. Make a phone stand. Thanks, Dad. You're welcome. Now we're out of water. Skating is so fun. But you're bound to fall sometime. Sweetie, are you okay? Any broken bones or lost teeth? I have an idea. Look at this. What is it? A security box. Our kiddo won't get hurt in here for sure. How did you even come up with that? I'm just a genius. I'm out of water. Dad, I need water. Hold on. Here you go. I'll build a sandcastle. More water! That was drinking water. Hang on. I'll get some water for his sandcastle. Here. No! Don't drink that. Phew. Where's the brake? Ah! Are you okay? I can't figure out how to brake. We'll help you. Dad, blow this up. Fine, give it to me. This will take a while. Let's go. Dad overestimated himself and he passed out. Justin, are you okay? Wake up. I blew the swim ring up too hard. Oof. Dad, the swim ring deflated. Oh no! It's boring under this umbrella. Hey, don't go in the sun. It's too hot. Get back in the shade. Stay under the umbrella. I'm watching you. I'm awake. That kid ran away again. Come back. I have an idea. Now you won't come out, and I can sleep. What's going on here? Justin! Untie him right now! That'll show you what it's like to be tied to an umbrella. A shooting game! I believe in you! Aim and shoot! Wow! Bullseye! Nice aim! You won! I'll get your prize! Yay! A puppet for the winner! Wow! You earned it! Let's have a shooting game at home. Here are our targets. Wanna play? Glue numbers onto disposable plates. Okay. Aim! Fire! You did it! Here's your prize! Half a poppet? Wow! Look what I won today! Dad? Did you like our new video? Then comment below and tell us what you liked the most. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom Troom.